Yah commanded us to do all these statutes, to fear Yah, our Elohim, for our good always, that he might preserve us alive, as it is at this day. And it shall be our righteousness if we observe to do all these commandments before Yah, our Elohim, as he has commanded us. Praise you, Father Yah.
I will not have any other Elohim before you, nor bow down to any graven images too. I won't take the name of Yah, my Elohim, in vain. I'll do. Remember the Sabbath day, sanctify it, keep it holy. Honor your father and mother, because that's what Yah told me. That your days may be long and that it may go well with you. I'll do. Yeah, I'll do. Yeah, I'll do. Yeah, I'll do. I'll do. I'll do. Yeah, I'll do. Yeah, I'll do. Yeah, I'll do. I'll do. I'll do. Yeah, I'll do. Don't murder, don't commit adultery, you shall not